My name is Lisa. So I got my parents. So I might think. So my name is not going to the lion park. So we're going to the lion park. So we're going to lion park. So we're gonna take the things and go to the picnic and have and ride the truck to see an impalas.
Oh wow!
That's
That's a lot. Hello guys, my name is Yonela. I'm a homeschooling mama of these 3 kiddos. One is doing 5th grade, 2nd grade, and a pre-K. Today is a Friday. So what Friday means?
Friday!
So on Fridays we're doing nature studies.
Okay, then you're done.
We started off our morning very slow today. We are going to
To the lion park!
We're going to the Lion Park. So guys, we're gonna take you along with us. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like and comment. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much to my remaining subscribers, and I promise you that more videos are still to come. So stay tuned.
Yep.
What are you doing, Risua?
Coloration.
Let's count how many cats are here. Before we go, I'm gonna let my daughter do the baking because she loves it, she enjoys it. And guys, she's gonna do it from scratch. I'm not gonna do and touch anything. The only thing I will do, I'll only come and put the tray in the oven. Otherwise, from the measurements and everything, she's going to bake the muffins so that we will carry some on our way to the Lion Park.
And guys, don't forget about my video that we made a pizza, a nice pizza.
Please like her video, guys. There are some few views there and few likes. She made a pizza vlog the other time. So today she's gonna vlog about how she bakes cookies. So stay tuned.
Yes.
While my daughter was still baking, my son decided to do his online maths. Is he cute?
Yes. He was a baby.
What's his name?
His name's Pico.
It's Bigo.
Yes.
Oh!
Can I touch it? Yes, he's my favorite pet.
He's your favorite pet?
Yes.
Oh my god. Look where we are.
We are at the Lion Park.
Lion Park.
I'm excited, guys, to see lions.
Look where we are.
We are at the Lion.
Oh, there's a friendly pet that greeted us when we come in.
Mama, there's another one. Mama,
Huh?
there's another one.
This one is quiet.
He's sleeping.
Okay, let's go.
There's a crocodile right over here.
What?
Not the crocodile.
Oh, there's a crocodile.
Mr. Rat.
I said that that's Robert. He's scared.
That's a crocodile.
There's only one crocodile.
What?
Guys, let's go.
They don't bite.
No, it doesn't. No, an ostrich kids. Go and feed it, Lisa. It's hungry. Run! I don't trust it.
Okay, go! Mommy, hostage.
Go,
Mommy,
go.
the hostage.
Yes,
pizza, and the ice cream.
but I need milkshake.
Huh?
I need milkshake.
Thank you guys for watching.
Using my ears on vlog.
Hi guys, my name is Lisa. I'm 5 years old. My mom is 13, 14 years old.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the Lion Park with my sister. So my sister's gonna go at the boat. So we're gonna get on a boat. So we're gonna have a picnic.
Oh wow!
And so my mommy